Our problem statement is design and construct a device or an instrument capable of identifying and measuring the levels of pesticides or other chemical residues present in soil and food products, thereby verifying their organic status.
One of the most important reasons for cancer is the hazardous chemicals found in our food. Not only cancer, but many health ailments are due to hazardous chemicals found in our food. So we decided to take the first step towards preventing such health hazards. We have come up with a device that can identify calcium carbide, a carcinogenic and common chemical found in most of the artificially ripened fruits. Bananas and mangoes are some of the fruits that are artificially ripened using calcium carbide. We have used carbon nanodots prepared from neem leaves as our probe solution. The C-dot solution shows high fluorescence in UV light. The C-dot fluorescence will reduce or go down on interacting with the calcium carbide solution. We have used this fact as the principle of our device. Our device is a small portable one that consists of two chambers, a testing chamber of 5 cm cube and a UV chamber that holds the UV light source. Our testing kit consists of 10 ml of the C-dot probe solution, 2 5 ml glass bottles, a 6 ml syringe, an instruction manual, and a thermocol box with gel ice packs to keep the C-dot probe solution at ambient temperature. The user needs to take 0.5 ml of the probe in the 2 5 ml glass bottles and dilute it with an equal volume of water. To one of the C-dot probes, the user can add 1 ml of testing sample obtained from the washings of the fruit sample. If there is a visible reduction in the fluorescence or a complete turn off of fluorescence, the user can confirm that the presence of calcium carbide in the fruit sample. We tested the device for its efficiency to detect calcium carbide in fruits after spiking the fruits with calcium carbide. But we did not test samples from the market. We did not get time for the on-ground testing or to get user inputs. We chose the project inspired by our skill development program, Nano Hub, conducted by our school, during which we synthesized the C-dots. We had already learnt about the application of C-dots, which we had tried hands-on during ATL Marathon. We both designed the experiment with the help of our mentor. I designed the device in Google SketchUp and we both built the device together. We enjoyed the whole journey and we would like to explore more. Thank you.